3/8.
Yeah, huh? I have it in my hand. I need a second one. This will work as soon as I can grip it on there. Hopefully. At least that'll work on that side, but I think this is actually metric. That's why it doesn't want to cooperate so well. That would probably be the cause. And none of these are metric. And look, I think I have one pair of vice grips out here. That's not gonna work. Yeah. So I have to do something different here, like get another pair of vice grips. That wheel's pointing the wrong way. I bet that was hard to push, eh?
It's crooked now that I'm looking at it.
Uh-huh.
From this angle especially. Yeah.
What are you doing over there, dog? Yeah, daggone it. None of these want to cooperate. Oh, got the wrong tools. Get the metrics. Metric. Yep, this ain't gonna do it. Okay.
Do a temporary intermission? Or
In a minute, I'll come back to that part. See what's under here. Yep, gonna be metric here too, I do believe. I think so. So, gonna have to find some metric tools. And a holder for that one. There you go. Ah, in there with the spiders.
last year's spiders, right?
Not necessarily, no.
You should have just said yes.
Why?
Because a mosquito came out of there.
Yeah, eh? See what the silly dog's doing over there.